heels are up, 2, come here, lean to take the right leg back. Rest your head on the interlaced fingers. अब आपका पिलर है, पीछे वाला पैर को फिक्स कीजिए, हील प्रेस कीजिए, हील प्रेस कीजिए. अब फ्रंट वाले नी को बेंड कीजिए, बेंड, पीछे वाला पैर फिक्स कीजिए, फिक्स योर बैक फुट. सर वॉक कीजिए, आगे आगे वॉक कीजिए. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale and come back. Exhale, release. Virabhadrasana 1 is not this. Virabhadrasana 1 is this. How come you are doing this? Are you getting confused with the aerial cloth? No changes in the foundation of the asana. Both the hands up, Tadasana. Practicing the first asana, Tadasana. Now tuck, no arching back, no arch at your tailbone. Suck the navel and tuck in the tailbone. Ekam, sir, piche jao. Release this, release this. Take one another aerial clothes. Piche, piche, piche. Go back, go back, go back. Yes. 2, 3, 4, satai. 5, come forward. Come forward, strong, straight line, Neetu ma'am, straight line. Come forward, walk forward, suck the navel. 2, suck your navel, no arch. 3, no arch back, no arching. Suck the navel, suck the navel. 2, suck your navel. 3, strong. 4, 5, 6, 7, walk forward. 8, 9, raise your heels now on the toes. 1, on the toes. 2, 3, 4, 5, glute engaged. Kumbhak. Mula Bandha. What do you do in pranayama class? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sitting in Malasana there itself. 1. Sitting in Malasana there itself. So I wanted you to do this itself. In Malasana the heels are raised up, hands are raised. 1, 2. So your upper arm, the side of the arms and your ears are closed. Heels are up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Drop the knees. Sink down. Marjorie cat and cow position. The first position of Marjorie, cat and cows. That's called cat position. So arch the back, head between the arms, eyes closed, having your breath. Ekam inhale, ekam exhale, dve inhale, dve exhale, Trini inhale, Chatvari exhale, Pancha inhale, Shat exhale, Sapta inhale, Astau exhale, Nava inhale, Dasa exhale, rounding the spine, rounding your spine and hold. Round the spine, round the shoulder blade, chin pressing towards the chest. 1, 2, a variation of cow position. 3, 4, rounding the lower back and the upper back both. Pramila ji. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Walk the knees back, walking your knees back, and then shift the weight forward, drop the navel down, dropping the navel down. Extend the hands forward and drishti to hands, drishti to hands. 1, 2, पकड़ना कैसे है? ऐसे पकड़ेंगे, ऐसे नहीं पकड़ेंगे फिर दर्द होगा. 3, हाँ, एंड अंगुष्ठा को देखिए. 4, वॉक पीछे. 5, इफ यू आर सफरिंग देन वॉक पीछे. 6, हैव योर ब्रेथ. 7, 8, 9, 10. Lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come up. Going into Sashankasana position. Combination of Bhujangasana and Sashankasana, shifting the weight forward, shift your navel down, Bhujangasana. Now this time get your head down from the arms. The head is lower than the arms. 1, 2, 3, head is lower than the arms. Get your head down. Look down, drishti down. 3, 4, 5. Lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sashankasana. Ekam, Dve, Treeni, Chatvari, Pancha. Coming to Malasana. 1. Extend the hands forward. 2, 3, look up. 4, look forward. 5, 6, 7. Drop the head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhaling is standing upright. Taking the fabric behind. Back of your chest. Walk back. Open up the chest. The chest is opening. The head is dropping. Extend the hands back. Interlace the fingers. Rest your head on the interlaced fingers. So palms back of the head. Raise your heels and stay in back bending position. 1, 2, walk forward. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, slowly come back. exhale, move, taking your left leg back, get your left leg back, hold here, 1, right knee is forward, and from here lean to take the right leg back, 1, manage the lower back, pull the fabric so that you are not getting hurt at the lower back, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, move, arch back, 1, shift forward, 2, 3, 4, 5, shift back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, opening the chest.